traveled up the coast seeking to kill Chief Philip. He moved to Homosassa.
I think that the building there we're going. It's the Homosassa Spring Wildlife State Park. So, okay, we're inside State Wildlife Refuge here at Homosassa Springs. So we'll see some animals here. They have alligators, hippo, bears. That's pretty. And then they have the manatees, garden, and river over there. So we'll see what animals we'll see here. They also have a panther, fox. What's the name of that, Dustin? The black fox. Oh, what's a...
Huh?
Can I see the paper? Dana, can I see the paper, sweetie? Oh, look how clear the river is. Pretty. See? They have a red wolf, fox, alligator, pelican, black bear, pavilion. So, we'll just check this area here. Can you hear that? Yeah, a birdie up there. Makes some pretty noise. Look at the river. Clear, so clear. Huh. Nile hippo. Okay, let's check out the hippo here. Let's see how big the hippo is. Ooh, look at the hippo. It's a big one. There's a lot of vulture. Is that vulture birdie, honey? Huh? Is that all vulture?
Those are all turkey vultures.
Oh, turkey vulture.
Wait, it's coming out right now.
Oh, got the red wolf
It looks
there.
just like sugar, but smaller.
Yeah. Hey, buddy. So we're gonna see the hippo when we get back. I think this is like a round boardwalk here where you can see all the animals. Oh, look at that. This fox is here.
Oh yeah, it is.
The fox. Where's the fox?
Right back
laying
there.
right next to the turkey vultures.
The fox is laying down there. So pretty. A lot of
They are
vultures. Look at that. They're like waiting.
They're
Waiting
irritating
for
that poor little guy. He
meal.
just wants to relax and they won't let him.
There are pelicans here.
Look at the boy.
Check out the pelicans. They're just swimming. Look at that kind of birdie. They're swimming,
Something.
flopping.
Fighting.
Oh,
Nah, he got something. He got
did he
nothing.
catch something?
A wing injury that prevents flight. They were hit by
Look at
something.
us then. It's just
Yeah, I know.
smiling at us. They have little stairs there.
Cool. Osprey are real hunters.
Hey, what is it? Huh?
He's screaming.
What's the matter? Does somebody feed you sometimes?
Hmm?
You're waiting for some food, aren't you? That's what it looks like to me.
There's a lot more pelicans. Look at these pelicans here. They're flapping their wings
He's
here.
doing something.
They're swimming. That's cute. There, barn owl.
Look at them. They got mom.
What are you saying, huh? What is it? You got something to
they're
say?
so pretty. Look at
He
those
wants to
legs,
tell
huh?
everyone else. I sure wish
Those
I was
legs is
over
really
at
skinny and
Fort
you can
Jefferson Island
stand
with
there
those
like
other
this.
flamingos. Those are interesting. Those guys are like bright orangish
Yeah, I
pink.
did, yeah.
They're a very interesting color. They must feed them a different color shrimp.
Aww.
That's a wood stork over here.
The milking has this. Look at their legs.
Skinny little legs.
Look at their legs. It's so skinny.
Look at them. They're just turning their head left and right.
They're like, are they talking something? Oh, look. He's spreading his wings.
Yeah, they do that.
Look how big this pelican is. Hi.
Those are big ones.
There's more up there. And he's sleeping. Oh, look at the birdie.
Come here, you can get his eyeball.
Buddy. Sleeping out there, huh?
I don't know what kind of
Look, all
bird that
those
is.
lots of pelicans there. But they have different color.
Mom.
Yep. Our nesting ground of the brown
Feathers
pelicans.
are really, really oily.
There's an eagle there. Oh,
There he goes.
he's
He
hiding
likes
up
the spider
there.
web.
He's hiding up there.
What kind of spider it is, too.
There's a pretty snow egret there.
They got two, but one of them is in a separate container.
They call them mountain lions where we
Mountain lions.
call them panthers down here.
Big one.
They're known by many names. That's a good size one.
Mm-hmm.
Big bobcat.
Here's the
Yeah,
bobcat.
Real big one.
See over there. Nothing.
He's on the prowl for
It's
something.
not too close from
He
here.
doesn't like being in this little cage.
Here's the alligator.
There you go.
That's a gator. Oh wait, never mind. I'm sorry.
Alligator.
Look at him.
And then the
Big
other
boy.
side is the otter. He's swimming. See the bubble from there. Oh, there he is.
Oh yeah, here it is.
He's diving.
Right here. You can see it under the water. Right there.
Over to you, Mom.
He's swimming over there. It's gator. And there's some more over there. There's 3 more. 1, 2, 3. There's a cotton mouth snake there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a fatty.
He's a big fatty one. There's timber rattlesnake.
I don't think it's in there.
A big hippo. Going in the water now. Oh, it's a big one. Hippo is. So big, huh? Look all the vultures like watching. Wow. Making sounds.
He swim.
There's the manatee up there. Swimming. You can see fishy here. You see all the fishy. There's a big fish also here in this part. Look at these big ones here. Oh, look at that. The big ones. And here's the river. It's very clear. See how clear the river is.